What's going on, guys? It's Matt Fractal back with another video. Before we jump into it, if you guys are looking for a place to learn, study, and communicate with other traders, Time Precision FX is the place to be. Links will be in the bio. If you guys find any value through my YouTube channel, you guys will definitely find more value in the Telegram channel. That being said, we also have our Time Precision FX course coming soon on thewap.com. We are going to provide a private Discord, which will be way better than the Telegram channel because the Telegram channel is free. And we do offer an online course. Be on the lookout for this. And yep, let's get straight into the video. So this week in the market, we have a good amount of news. We got Canadian dollar red news on Tuesday and Monday, but we're mainly looking for the 8:30 USD news. So looks like Thursday we have that, and Friday we have that. So Thursday, Friday can be the two large range days of this week. So just putting that out in the air. Now back into the charts. We're starting on a 3-month time frame today because, excuse me. We're starting on a 3-month time frame today because, as you can see, the quarterly candle closes in 5 days, which is the end of this week. We can just look at the calendar now. The 23rd, next week, we're gonna end the month. So we're looking at this 3-month candle. Let's dive deep into it. As you can see, last quarter and the quarter before that, which was a fourth quarter of 2023, we're trapped in this range. Low, high. As you can see, this candle is trading right now. What I notice, this candle is trading inside of this candle, but we also have these rejection blocks here, right? I'll draw that out. So what does that mean for me? Price traded up into a rejection block, which is a premium price, and now it looks like it's trading back lower. However, looking back into the price action, I can tell that we just came from this fair value gap, which was bullish. Boom. Fair value gap here. We have that consequent encroachment level, which is that 50%. I'll draw it out. All right, which should be here. So I'm liking a bullish continuation. We created this gap, we traded lower, hit the consequent encroachment, we consolidated, and now it seemed that we created this swing low, this high, lower low, and then a higher high. So swing low, and now we're trading higher. This rejection block, yes, it is a bearish PD array, but from the overall upwards trend and price trading into a inefficiency, we can possibly continue going higher. Going into the monthly time frame, with those 3-month levels delineated on the market, let's zoom in. As you can see, that rejection block level was just this order block. So let me refine it. Boom. So we have an old high and this old low. This is the range that we're in. If I look from this high to this low, it seems that we are in a premium market. But referring back to that 3-month time frame, us trading up into this, or trading down into this fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, we can see that price high, low. Now it seems that price is pushing back up for that higher high. But yes, this is a monthly time frame, so it will be hard for us to project a whole 3 to 6 to 9 months of price going above this high, but not really. We took out sell side liquidity here with this candle. Boom. We rallied and we broke structure. So now that sets us up for a Fibonacci retracement from low to high. As you can see, back in December, the last month of 2023, we traded down into a discount, 62 to 79% retracement level inside of that 3-month fair value gap. And we had some bullish continuation. March, we traded back below the 50% of this low to this high, right? And look what smart money did. We picked up another discount in the 62 to 79% retracement, and we traded higher. We traded higher into that rejection block on the 3-month time frame. Let me get this off the chart. That rejection block from the 3-month time frame, which just refines into this this monthly order block. This up close candle got traded down. So when price is coming back up into it, this has some type of resistance towards it. And as you can see, April we traded higher. We picked up some resistance in May, and we traded lower. But if we zoom in, right? Zoom in. What did we do for June? Right? We had this candle, May, and I see that we traded below May's low. If we were bearish from this high to this low, and this was a, let's say, an OTE, optimal trade entry. So let me just draw that out now. Right? High to this low, we traded back up into a premium. However, price had a difficult time closing below that 50%, right? Which shows me that price doesn't want to go lower for the dollar, especially since June just ran out May's old low, or May's low, and rejected, and we did not close. Do you see this? These two bodies, this down close body and then this up close body, they're right on top of that 3-month fair value gap, as you can see. So now let's get into the weekly time frame, where TPFX really likes to dial in, and this is where we find all of our consistency throughout the months and the weeks as a trader or as a speculator. So now we had that low, run, break the structure. We came down into this last down close candle, order block, picked up some buying here. We rallied again, broke structure, came down into these 3 last down close candles, bullish order block, and we continue high. So what this is institutional order flow to the bullish side, to the upside. Down close candles are being respected, right? So now these last 3 down close candles, these last 3 down close candles got broken, and these became a bullish order block. And if I draw a line out now, you can see price had a difficult time closing below these last 3 down close candles. Here it had a difficult time, rallied, and now here it had a difficult time. The wicks, they just do the damage. The bodies is what tells the story. So if the bodies are staying above this order block, I know that higher time frame or longer term institutional order flow is bullish. So what did we have last week? Last week was a bank holiday, so the weekly candle was pretty much not indecisive, because you can see we made the low of the week, and we picked up a discount at the low of the week. And if you look over, as I just said, down close candles will be respected. So let me draw this candle. Open. Boom. So last week, what were we looking for? A trade lower into a down close candle. And if you want to get more technical and precise, we have this smaller one. I'm electing to use this beefier down close candle because this is where most of the orders were, and this has had more volume. But if you want to be a nitpicker, you can use the high on this down close candle. And now you have 2 levels. So when price opens here, what are we trying to do at TPFX? Do we care about where the market closes at the end of the week? No. Do we care that if it's a bearish or bullish week? Well, yes, we do. Because if we're in this up move, if this uptrend, of course, we're not looking for down close candles. We're looking for up close candles. And usually up close candles, they open, they trade lower as like a Judas swing. A Judas swing is basically a protractionary state where they take traders off the wrong side. So when they open and it's trading lower, a ton of traders are trying to go short. They're trying to go short below these lows. But if they're not understanding the higher time frame narrative that price is bullish and price is trading into that 3 monthly fair value gap and it's not closing below, and we make this swing low here, 1 2 3, price obviously has a stronger probability, because yes, we are traders, speculators, we're working in the frame of probability. So this week here had the higher probability of going higher. So if we know that, going back to what I said again, we're looking at down close candles, 1 and 2. It comes down, boom, and now we trade higher and we closed on the high. Going to the daily, right? This is how our market is building up now. We had that low to that high, we traded down into a discount, and now what do we have? Consolidation, break of structure, return to consolidation, another break of structure, accumulation, boom. We have that smart money reversal here in December. We rallied, broke structure, came back down into that consolidation. We picked up some buys, rallied, broke structure, and now we're in that second stage reaccumulation right here. And price now is looking to trade above old highs, buy side liquidity. So let's go closer. That was just a definition of what I think dollars in right now is a longer term buy model, which the smart money reversal was in December. Going closer into price action, last week we had Monday here, Tuesday trades down, and usually if you guys study ICT, Tuesday usually creates the low of the week if we're bullish, and it usually creates the high of the week if we're bearish. So if we're bullish, I'm looking for these weekly profiles, especially at TPFX. We teach this weekly profiling. Tuesday we make that low of the week on a down close candle, order block. But more importantly, what a lot of people didn't see this week, and I did, I'm gonna just use these lines right here. Just know these lines are those weekly bearish order block levels. As you can see, we traded it here and here, and then we took above this old high. But going closer on the daily, this is not regular market structure or price action for your average retail trader. Retail traders usually don't cut through price, but at smart money we do. We had this gap right here, which we usually call a volume imbalance, because there was no volume in here. There's just white space, there's no volume. Of course we did trade and we rebalanced it here when it traded down and then up again. We rebalanced this area, but still there was some manipulation in price right here to create this volume imbalance. So Monday, usually a consolidated day, as you can see, it was an inside day. Tuesday, what do? We trade lower. Where's that low of the week? Inside of this volume imbalance. Boom. So then once we get that low of the week, that is what TPFX calls market structure. Because right after we get that low of the week and we confirm it, every day after that, we should be looking to be a buyer, as you can see. And when we get down to the lower time frames, you're going to see this same phenomena, smart money buy model, consolidation, smart money reversal, and then continuing to blow out this original consolidation. You're going to see it on the smaller time frame because price is fractal. That's why I go by Matt Fractal. Let's go down 4-hour time frame. We had that low of the week on Tuesday here. And then as you can see, we had the old high. So from old high down, smart money reversal. And then every down close candle we're looking to buy on. So this down close candle gets broken. That's a trade. This down close candle here gets broken. And we trade down on it. That's a trade. Looking to take out that original consolidation. It looks way more cleaner on that 1 hour time frame. Original, smart money reversal, low risk buy, low risk buy, low risk buy to clear out the original consolidation. Cool. Let's go back up to a daily time frame. If we're still bullish, right, and we're in that higher time frame buy model, what can we look for the week to come? As I said on the Forex Factory, it looks like Thursday and Friday are going to be our large range days because of the 8:30 news events. But as I said, down close candles should be supported. So I see these last 3 down close candles, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to draw my discount level out right here. All these 3 down close candles are 1 consecutive order block. So what would I like to see? I would like to see price either consolidate on Monday, Tuesday drop down on this order block, create the low of the week according to our weekly profiles, and then continue to rally higher to clear out these these equal highs. I'm just gonna say that. Boom. These equal highs. Right here. Right. I'm gonna write equal highs, relatively equal highs. There, I got it. You guys could clown me in the comment section. I don't mind. But yeah, these equal highs here, we're gonna look for a Tuesday or Wednesday low of the week on a down close candle, which these 3 those down close candles look clean. And then we're gonna look to rally above these equal highs. So hopefully you guys got something over that weekly review and this weekly forecast. We're bullish for next week on the dollar. If you guys learned anything, remember, we have our Telegram group. Please join if you guys are looking for a team. And, as always, stay safe.